New trial ordered. The shocking twist in the Etan Patz case. A shocking twist in the Etan Patz case has sparked nationwide debate. A federal appeals court has ordered a new trial for Pedro Hernandez, the man convicted in the 1979 disappearance of 6-year-old Etan Patz. This ruling, which overturns a 25-year sentence, has left families, law enforcement, and legal experts questioning the fairness of the justice system in one of America's most tragic missing child cases. But here's where it gets controversial. The court found that the trial judge gave a clearly wrong response to a jury note during Hernandez's 2017 trial, which could have unfairly influenced the verdict. This case, which began decades ago, has now become a focal point for discussions about how justice is served in high-profile criminal cases. Hernandez, who has been incarcerated since 2017, was arrested in 2012 after a long search for answers following Etan's mysterious disappearance. The boy vanished on his first day of walking alone to school in New York City, a moment that would forever change the lives of his parents, who spent decades fighting for justice. The appeals court ruled that the trial judge failed to properly explain the legal implications of Hernandez's confessions, which were recorded before he was read his rights. This mistake, the court argued, could have led to an unfair outcome. And this is the part most people miss. The legal battle over Etan's case has not only shaped the lives of his family but also transformed how society handles missing children. His story helped create the National Missing Children's Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness and improving child safety. Yet, despite years of investigation, no trace of Etan was ever found. A civil court declared him dead in 2001, but his legacy continues to inspire advocacy for better protections for children. Hernandez, a teenager working at a convenience store in Etan's neighborhood, confessed to police that he lured the boy into a basement, choked him, and left his body in a trash can. But his lawyers argue that this confession was fabricated, claiming he suffers from a mental illness that blurs reality and imagination. This raises a critical question. How do we balance the rights of the accused with the pursuit of justice in cases where the truth is shrouded in uncertainty? The trial, which took place in a New York state court, eventually reached federal courts, where the focus shifted to the interrogation that led to Hernandez's confession. Police questioned him for 7 hours, and he repeated his account multiple times, despite the fact that he was not yet given his rights. This procedural error, the appeals court says, undermines the integrity of the legal process. So, what does this mean for the future? As the case moves forward, it will likely reignite debates about the role of confessions in criminal trials and the importance of protecting defendants' rights. The Patzes, who have spent decades advocating for changes in missing child protocols, hope this case will lead to a more just system for families facing similar tragedies. But the question remains, is the justice system truly equipped to handle cases as complex and emotionally charged as Etan's?